Welcome to the new edition of the downtown Los Angeles area. Today we shall introduce you to the Obsidian, the first ever aquatic-inspired structure in the SoCal area. Found in the heart of the business district, the Obsidian houses data centers, offices, libraries, and meet-me rooms to aid with any workplace needs. There is also a wide space of outdoor area that has been developed to create a lively outdoor environment that represents the design concept of the structure through the landscape. When entering, one can experience the unique atmosphere that each room holds. The interiority of the meet-me rooms create the feel of an ocean wave as the color blue is signified and flows throughout. In comparison to the interior, the exterior details of the structure allow the building to hold a unique representation of the abstract ocean theme conveyed throughout the structure. You can explore the capacious library with plenty of room for you to read about all sea-based topics. Visitors may also enjoy a wonderful stroll through the indoor, life-size, ecology aquarium, and experience the never-seen-before deep-sea path where you will see various shells and coral to enhance the presence of the artificial waterfall set at the end of the walkway. Located at the heart of the building is the data center, which features interactive areas for employees to control all necessary coding and machinery as if they were to control the helm of a ship. The grand opening of the Obsidian will take place on Tuesday, April 19th, and will be open to all to experience all aspects of this new approach to ecology-based modern architecture in Los Angeles.